How to delete Zlibrary account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can delete your account here in Zlibrary. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. What we're gonna need is first of all signing into our account, and once you have done that, just click on this icon and go into the option Edit Profile. There you're gonna have two different tabs, so we're going to remove profile. Here you can log out if you want, or you can also remove your account. So I'm going to remove my account. You must verify password and captcha in order to confirm the removal of your account. So this is gonna let you know some stuff. You must type your password, click on remove your account, and once you have done that, you must be aware that once your account is deleted, you will no longer be able to log in or access on all data, including the premium services and membership information. You will be permanently erased from their service without any possibility or retrieval, and they do not maintain backups of deleted accounts, okay? So you must be really sure about it. Once you have done that, your Zlibrary account, it's going to be removed and deleted. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.